we can go to the exercise 3.2. Right, children? Now, come to the exercise 3.2. So, in the section A, what is given here? Find the first 5 multiples of the following. Find the first 5 multiples of the following. Okay, take the numbers 9 and 25. Okay, first you take 2. First, second one. First 5 multiples of first 5 multiples of 9. How can you get first 5 multiples of 9? Means if you want to get the multiples of a number, multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. You want only 5 multiples, that's why you multiply with 1, multiply with 2, multiply with 3, multiply with 4 and multiply with 5 only, up to 5. So here 9 is to be multiplied with 1, 9 is to be multiplied with 2, 9 is to be multiplied with 3, 9 is to be multiplied with 4, 9 is to be multiplied with 5. Like this, if we multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we get the first 5 multiples of 9. That means 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. These are the first 5 multiples of 9. Very easy, children. So, if you want to get the multiples of a given number, simply you multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. First 5 only he asked, that's why we multiplied with up to 5. Now you see, children, here, next one see, 7th one see here. The first 5 multiples of 25. The first 5 multiples of 25. So, here 25 multiples you want. That's why multiply 25 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 multiples enough. That's why 25 into 1, 25 into 2, 25 into 3, 25 into 4, 25 into 5. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125. These are the first 5 multiples of 25. Okay, students, now B under this. Now come to the section B. Check if the first number is a multiple of the second number or not. Check it. First number 56. Second number 7. Is the first number a multiple of the second number? Is 56 a multiple of 7? How do you know? Read 7 table. You know very well about the 7 table. You are all very well with the tables. That's why read 7 table. In reading the 7 table, if you get to 56, then you say 56 is a multiple of 7. If you are not getting 56 in reading the 7 table, then you say 56 is not a multiple of 7. Right? Okay, children. Now you see, if you read 7 table, means 7 tables, see 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, like that. 7 eights are 56. But here, 7 eights are 56. Therefore, what do we say? 56 is a 56 is a multiple of 7. Why? Because 7 eights are 56. In reading the 7 table, you are getting 56. That's why what do we say? 56 is a multiple of 7. Next. Now come to 3. 73 comma 9. 73 comma 9. read the 9 table, multiplication table of 90. In reading the 9 table, can you get 73? No. 9 8s are 72 only, not 73. 9 8s are 72. So, in reading the table 9, you are not getting 73. Okay, na? So, what do we say? 73 is not a multiple of 9. What do we say here? 73 is not a multiple of 9. What is the reason? What is the reason? Here you write reason also. Because 73 is not coming. 73 is not coming in multiplication table of 7. Not coming in the multiplication table of 7. Okay, in the seventh table, you are not getting the 73. Okay, children. 73 is not a multiplication table of 9 here, 9. 73 is not a multiplication table of 9. Okay. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. But 7 is not coming. 73 is not coming in the multiplication table of 9. That's why 73 is not a multiple of 9. Like that. Okay, children. Now see, under this section, next we come to section C. Write the multiples of the following. Write the multiples of the following. First question. Multiples of 6 that are greater than 40 and smaller than 60. Multiples of 6 we want. That means you go through the 6th table. So, in reading the 6th table, what will you get? You get to multiples of 6. Okay. And what is the here? That are greater than 40 and smaller than 60. It must be greater than 40 and smaller than 60. Okay. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 30. But 36 is not greater than 40. That's why now you take 6 into 7. You see. 6 into 7, how much? 6 7s are 40. 6 7s are 40. 42 is greater than 40. 42 is greater than 40. Yes or no? And less than 60. 42 is greater than 40 and less than 60. Okay, children. Next. 6 8s are how much? 6 8s are 40. 48 is bigger than 40 and less than 60. And less than 60. Next. 6 9s are 54. 54 is greater than 40. 54 is greater than 40 and less than 60. Okay, now. Next, 6 tens means 60 comes. 60 is greater than 40, okay, but it is not smaller than 60. Which one? Equal to 60. 6 tens are 60. 60 is equal to 60, but it is 60 is not less than 60. 60 is greater than 40 and it is not smaller than 60. Not smaller than 60. So what is the answer we say here? 42. What we write here answer? 42 and 48 and 54 and 54. Sixty is not considerable. Why? Because 60 is greater than 40, but it is not smaller than 60. Okay, children, understand? Next, multiples of 20 that are between 75 and 125. Okay? What are the multiples of 20 that are between 75 and 125? Then what do we say here? 80, 100 and 120. The answer is 80, 100 and 120. See here, in between 75 and reason. In between 75 and 125, we can get multiples of 20. Okay, that means 25 fours are 80. 25 fours are 80. Here, I will write here. 20 into 4. 24s are 80. 25s are 100. 26 are 120. 25s are 26. Okay, 20 into 6. That is enough. 80, 100, 120. You see, children. 75, here 80, here 100, here 120. So the three numbers in between 75 and 120. 80 is 80 and 100, 120. The three numbers are in between 75 and 120. 80 is the multiple of 20. 80 is the multiple of 20. 100 is the multiple of 20. 120 is the multiple of 20. These are the multiples of 20. Why? Because in reading the 20 table you are getting 80. You are getting 100. You are getting 120. That's why these are the multiples of 20. And they are in between 75 and 125. In between 75 and 125. Okay, children, that's why we write the answer as 80, 100 and 120. Right, children? We can go to the next section. Children say D. Ring the numbers that are multiples of both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2. What are the numbers that are multiples of both 1 and 2? So, 2 ring. So, we ring the number 2 and 4, 8, 10, 16, 18 and 2. You see, children, these numbers you can get in reading the one table and two tables. Read the multiplication. If you read the multiplication table of 1, you can get all these numbers. 2, 4, 8, 10, 16, 18, 20. And 2, both 1 and 2. In the two tables you must get these numbers. Read two tables. In reading the two table you can get 2, 4, 8, 10, 16, 18, 20. Okay. So here the numbers which we are circled, the numbers which we are kept in the ring, the numbers which you are kept in the ring are the multiples of both 1 and 2. Are the multiples of both 1 and 2. That means in the multiplication table of 1 and in the multiplication table of 2, we can get all these numbers. All the numbers which were rounded. That's why these are the numbers that are multiples of both the 1 and 2. Okay, children. That means in the margin also, just for your clarification, I will write here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Okay, children. 2 eights are 16, and 2 eights are 16 over 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Okay, these numbers we are getting in the table 2. And 2 can divide all these numbers. 2 can divide all these numbers exactly. That means leaving the remainder 0. That's why these are the numbers multiples of both 1 and 2. Next, ring the numbers that are multiples of both 3 and 5. Both 3 and 5. Here some numbers are mentioned. What are the numbers are mentioned here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 3 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 12, 15, 18, 12, 15, 18, 20, 30, 36, 20, 30, 36, 60, 75, and 85. 85. See children here. Ring the number that are multiples of both 3 and 5. Both 3 and 5. Both 3 and 5. That means here 15 you take. In 15 3 divides 15, 3 5s are 15. 5 also, 5 3s are 15. That means 3 divides 15 and 5 divides 15. That means in reading the multiplication table of 3 you are getting 15. And in reading the multiplication table of 3, with 5 also you are getting 15. That means here 15 means 3 5s are 15. Read 5 table. 15 is equal to 5 3s are 15. Next one you see here. 30 you take. 30. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. And with 5 table you tell. No? With 5 table. That means here 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Next. 60 you take. 60. In reading the multiplication table of 3, you can get 60. 3 20s are 60. Now, with 5 table tell 60, 5 12s are 60. 5 12s are 60. So, we can mention 60. Okay. And 75. How much? 75. See children. With the 3 you tell. 3. 3 25s are 75. 3 25s are 75. Now with 5 table tell. 5. 5 ones are 5. 15 5s are 75. 5 15s are 75. So 75 we can mention. So what are the numbers we can mention here? Multiples of both 3 and 5 means what we can mention here? 15. Next 30, 60, 75. What we mention here? 15, 30, 60 and 75. So 15, 30, 60 and 75. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. The 4 numbers were kept in a ring. The 4 numbers I kept in the ring. These numbers are divisible by 3 and 5. These numbers are divisible by. So here what we write? The numbers 15, 30, 60 and 75. The numbers can be divisible by both 3 and 5. Exactly, the numbers can be divisible in 15, 3 divides 15, 3 divides 30, 3 divides 60, 3 divides 75. Like this with 5 also. 5 divides 15, 5 6 are 30, 5 12 are 60, 5 15s are 75. 5 divides 75. These numbers are divisible by both 3 and 5 exactly. Exactly means what here? Leaving the remainder 0. That's why the 4 numbers we keep in the ring. Okay, children. Are you all followed? Thank you, children. The next episode we can study the next exercise.